So today we are going to make the Weeknd dark R&B type beat. So first of all, let me show you some things that I already put in here, some VSTs. I have in here this. I have this one. This is a pad. I'm using the most of the things on Omnisphere. And here we have another pad. I like to use Omnisphere because it has some dark sounds, but you can use any VST you want. So I like to start with a chord progression. I will record this. All right. I think this is nice. Now I'm going to copy this. And I'm actually going to paste this on other pad. Yeah, let me hear the both together. The second one can be longer. Now I want to make some melodies over it. With this one. New pattern. I actually will repeat this, but I will change the last part. Yeah, that will be it. think that's beautiful. Now I want to add this stuff. This is some kind of bass, but not really a bass. I want to put it. It will sound good on the background. We will use the notes. There will be the notes of the chords. Will be these notes right here. I can copy this. New pattern. Now we paste. And we can use this quick legato. One octave below. Yeah, let's put some other note right here. Brown, brown. Great, now we can make the drums. Simple drums. Yeah. Yeah. Now we have to make some crash too. Yeah, we have to have a crash. And the bass. Let me add some bass. Yeah, and the bass will be the same notes that we already made on this one. So I can just copy, paste, and we have to change the octaves. So, and with the bass will be together with the kick. So every time that there is a kick, there will be the bass. Boom, boom. This one I think we can make octave below. This too. Now let's make a octave change. We basically already have the beat. This is the beat. This is the beat. Now we only need to put the intro and the chorus and the verse and those stuffs. So this is the way that I like to do those stuffs. Now I will just mute some instruments to start with the intro. So this is the intro. Here there will be the chorus. I will change this hi-hat. I will change a little bit actually. Now it's nice. This is better. Okay, so we have the chorus, then we have the verse. The verse we got to keep it clean. So let's remove some instruments. Then the second part of the verse I like to change a little bit, so let's change the instruments. And this right here will be the chorus again. So we start the drums a little bit and then the chorus again. And that is the structure. Now we will need to repeat right here. So the second verse. Second verse. Then here we have the third chorus. And this will be the outro. And that's it. So if you think that this is like too short, because it ended like 2 minutes and 35, we can increase this right here. We can put something before the chorus. So I will basically do this. I will copy this right here, and now we are going to put the drums but without the kicks. So it will be something like this. So the artist can start singing right here and then the chorus. So intro, like a pre-chorus right here. And after the pre-chorus, the chorus. Yeah, I think that's nice. Now this beat is almost 3 minutes, so that's that good. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Now let's play it to see how it goes.